This is inventory number 2640. It's a 50-ton 4-post down-acting press and power unit. Press is guarded on the sides and rear by bolted-on metal guarding, mesh guarding. The front of the press is protected with 2 light curtains. We're going to go ahead and just run 2 auto cycles showing the press go up and down. Press also has manual safety blocks that you unplug and can place in the press, and it won't run until you take those out and plug them back in. They're stored on the back side of the press. Okay, go ahead and run it. Press comes down. It has high and low speeds. It's in high speed right now. Doesn't go into low until it encounters work. And then it returns back to the top. We'll run 1 more cycle. That completes inventory 2640, 50-ton 4-post down acting.